Listen, you've got the backrest there.
I know, I've got bad shoulder then.
How does that affect your back?
Get the camera out. This
stability.
could be good. This.
Oh, fuck off.
If you don't fall in the first time.
He's just nettled himself.
Can you see the size of those nettles? Look, I've got lumps already. I've done the fucking gentlemanly thing here, right? I've given up my prime space.
You're laughing.
And I'm getting a lot of shit.
You're going away from him, you need to go back.
Off, lad.
Put it on this little bit here.
Oh, fuck, I've lost
Can
the
I just
paddle.
fucking get in?
Hey, get your fucking paddle out my chest. Oh no! Oh shit! Come on.
Come and rescue me, you cunts.